If you run a small business, answering the exact same routine customer questions manually will eventually bury you. You can bypass that bottleneck by building a custom Telegram bot strategy. By configuring a bot to handle routine inquiries, you can clear out 70 to 80% of your daily customer support workload without adding a single new employee to your payroll. To get started, you only need 3 things. First, calculate your current monthly spending on support staff. Second, write down the most frequent questions your customers ask. And third, set up a basic Telegram account. Combining these 3 elements takes your business out of a constant state of reacting to messages. Instead, you build a proactive system capable of handling hundreds of customers at once. Step 1 is auditing your current setup. Picture the total cost of a human employee. You are paying a base salary, but you are also covering overtime hours and paid leave. Automation operates on a completely different financial model. Building a bot requires either a single upfront development fee or a highly predictable monthly subscription. This comparison table breaks down the operational differences. On the left side, human staff are constrained by physical limits. They work 8-hour shifts, their response times slow down during busy periods, and they naturally make mistakes under pressure. Look at the right side of the table. A bot operates 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. It delivers instantaneous replies to hundreds of people at once, and it strictly follows the rules you set, ensuring absolute accuracy. This final graph shows the long-term impact. As your customer base grows, human payroll expenses curve sharply upward. The cost of running a bot stays flat, completely decoupling your overhead from your growth. That flat line also accounts for hidden overhead. A bot takes no sick days, requires no holiday bonuses, and costs nothing in office space. When you map out the math, deploying a bot stops runaway payroll expansion and increases your total output capacity at the same time. Now that we have the math sorted, step 2 is designing the actual workflow, starting from the exact moment a customer contacts you. We will use a hybrid system. A hybrid system is a setup where the bot processes all routine transactions autonomously, while your human staff are kept in reserve to handle nuanced, complex problem-solving. This flowchart illustrates the initial trigger phase. A customer sends a message, and they are immediately greeted by the bot menu, giving them options to view a product list or request an available appointment date. Once the user clicks an option, the bot processes the selected schedule or collects the payment entirely in the background. Your staff does not need to intervene. Here is the critical safety net, the escalation trigger. If a customer has an issue that falls outside the standard menu, the bot routes that specific chat directly to a human administrator. You save this manual handoff for high-value interactions. This includes processing custom orders, resolving unique complaints, or providing specialized consulting. By setting up this specific routing, you ensure late-night orders are captured without delay, while your human staff dedicate their energy entirely to client retention. Step 3 moves us into the actual interface to manage those incoming messages. Take a look at this chat screen. You take your prepared list of frequently asked questions and plug them into the bot's autoresponder. When someone asks, "What are your prices?" at 2 a.m., the bot instantly fires back the menu. Firing off those instant midnight replies captures impulsive buyers who would otherwise lose interest waiting for your store to open the next morning. This dashboard mockup shows the broadcast feature. Instead of manually messaging clients one by one, you press a single button to push out a new promotion to your entire customer base simultaneously. Before going live, you finalize your escalation roles. You instruct the bot to handle the 80% of repetitive location and pricing questions, filtering them out so your live staff only get pinged for real issues. Mastering the autoresponder, the broadcast tool, and the escalation roles converts a manual support bottleneck into an automated engine that drives sales. You now have a complete cost-saving blueprint for an automated system that operates around the clock. The underlying logic works for any business, but the specific bot features you need will depend heavily on your exact industry and your unique customer habits. Gather your FAQ list and your workflow diagram. Tell me your specific business type down in the comments, and I will give you personalized recommendations on how to set up your bot. Building this system secures your profit margins against rising payroll costs and lets you scale your output without sacrificing your personal time.